Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be an MSM update. So in this video, I'm really going to be breaking down a lot of the questions that you guys asked in my last video. I'm going to give you guys an update, another update on my MSM intake and my results over the past 2 months. And I also want to share some comments that you guys left as well about things that I didn't mention in my previous video or some things that I forgot to mention as well. So if you guys are interested, definitely stay tuned.
It's a cash race, it went last place. In my first name with the last name. Vinny bag, ayy, Birkin bag, ayy.
So first off, I really had no idea that my last video would take off the way it did. I was so shocked every day when I would look back and see the amount of people watching the video and the amount of amazing comments that I was getting back. I was blown away. So I just want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video, to listen to what I had to say about MSM and how I found it affected me, and to listen to the things that I thought that other people might want to know as well. I'm so glad that you guys found it so useful. I just want to say welcome to everybody who joined my channel off of that one video. Thank you guys so much for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers. So we finally passed that milestone after about 3 years, and I mean, I am like overwhelmed. It's still kind of sinking in right now, but again, I just want to say thank you guys so much because I couldn't have done this without you. I'm just really glad that you guys are still enjoying my content. So with that being said, let's get into my update. So I guess the first thing that I want to share with you guys is that I started taking the MSM crystals. So I finished my powder and I got the 2 packages of the MSM crystals online off of Amazon, and immediately I noticed that they were obviously more potent. I saw a difference much sooner than when I was taking the powder. I think I would definitely recommend taking the crystals as well. And I also didn't get bad headaches. And it's kind of strange because my dosage increased once I started taking the crystals, but I guess because it's more pure, I don't know, maybe that's why I wasn't getting the side effects that I was getting before. But I was still drinking a lot of water. I still am drinking a lot of water. If I were going to recommend anything to you guys, I would definitely say just start with the crystals. If you're finding that the recommended dosage is too much for you, then definitely start out a bit smaller. Like it says to take 1 teaspoon per 100 pounds. So if 1 teaspoon is too much for you, then definitely start out with maybe half a teaspoon or even a 1/4 teaspoon of crystals. Make sure you're taking your vitamin C with that as well, so either as orange juice, or if you're not taking it with orange juice, then make sure you have your vitamin C as well. You can take that in a powder form or as a tablet. I take mine as a powder form if I'm not drinking it with my orange juice. Definitely make sure you're taking your vitamin C along with your MSM so that it can be absorbed properly into your body. Yeah, the crystals are going great. It's making my nails grow a lot faster. I'm getting a lot more baby hairs that are growing like crazy fast. My eyebrows are growing back way faster than they were when I was taking the powder. That's only with maybe 2 months of usage, because I started taking the crystals maybe a week after I posted my last video on MSM, and that was about 2 months ago now. So yeah, within 2 months I've noticed a crazy amount of growth. And I'm gonna insert some pictures as well, guys, because after I did my MSM video, I did a video where I showed you guys my quarantine protective hairstyles, my twist hairstyles, my lazy natural hairstyles. So I'll link that video up above. But when I did that video, you guys can see in that video how I did my hair when I just had the twist and I put it in that ponytail in the back. Well, I just did the same hairstyle a week ago and I've already noticed that my hair has gotten a lot longer. So I tried to take pictures of it. I tried to put the same shirt on so you guys could see the difference, but I don't know why it was so difficult to take the same type of photo. And that's just with 6 weeks of usage. I've gotten a lot of growth in that time. My hair is finally getting back on track. I've almost gotten rid of all of my heat damage from when I straightened my hair last year. That is definitely helping a lot with my length retention. But yeah, you guys can see for yourself. I made the mistake of not showing many photos of my before and after in my previous video. And I also wanted to mention that as well, is that my heat damage really did a number on my hair, and I really had a hard time getting length retention just because I was trying to get rid of my heat damage. So I know it looks like my hair didn't grow a lot, but I could definitely tell the difference. I could feel it, I could see it. especially in the thickness of my hair, because you know when you damage your hair does feel thin. It feels, you know, dry and brittle. But since I've been taking the MSM, my hair has felt a lot thicker, it's feeling a lot healthier, and it even looks really amazing when I don't have any product on it, when I just get out of the shower. So the MSM is doing wonders for my hair. And another thing is that I started taking collagen peptides as well. So I got that from Costco. I picked up the big bottle, but I know a lot of people were taking the collagen peptides off of Amazon, but I saw some iffy reviews about that, so I decided just to go straight with the ones from Costco. And you know, I've been taking it for about 2 months now as well. You know, I'm not exactly sure if that is why my nails are growing longer, but I am noticing a difference in my skin. I have been working to get rid of my acne and my hyperpigmentation and all of that stuff, so I think everything in combination definitely helped to clear my skin, getting a lot less breakouts, and when I do get them, they go away within a day or two. And also my nails are growing like crazy. Yeah, I think the collagen along with the MSM is really a good thing if you want to work on your hair and your skin and your nails. If you guys are interested in that, I will link where I got my collagen from and where you guys can get it as well off of Costco or off of Amazon. I'll link both. So now I want to talk to you guys about some interesting things that people were leaving, because some of these I was experiencing, but I forgot to mention. I totally forgot to mention. So one of the things is that someone was saying that it can cause intense it can cause intense, vivid, even crazy dreams. And I have seen that a lot. I've seen that so much on other videos and like on forums. I want to say that it might have had an effect on me. I already have, you know, pretty intense dreams to begin with. So I'm not sure if the MSM actually affected my dreams and like made me have vivid dreams or more crazy dreams. Personally, if I am too hot when I'm sleeping, then I have really bad dreams. Like I literally have terrifying dreams. Or if I eat a lot of sugar before I go to sleep, same thing, I have really scary dreams. Yeah, if I'm sick, I have very, very vivid dreams. Mean dreams, you don't have to worry about that. I have crazy dreams all the time. Another thing that someone mentioned is that it can actually make your eyes lighter. It can make your skin lighter if you take it in high doses. And I personally don't think that that has affected me yet. I haven't noticed my eyes getting lighter or my skin getting lighter, but it's also summertime, so who knows? But that's something that someone noticed. A lot of people are saying that it makes your hair grow all over, not just on your head, and that is completely true. So guys, make sure you have all of your razors and your wax, your tweezers, whatever you guys use to get rid of your hair. Make sure that you have that when you start taking MSM, because yeah, it doesn't discriminate. It will just grow anywhere and everywhere that your hair naturally grows. Except I noticed that it's not growing a lot on my arms. So yeah, it just grows everywhere else. Another thing that a couple people mentioned is that it can make your boobs bigger and that it's also a great fertility supplement. So if you guys are looking to get pregnant in the near future, then definitely start taking your MSM, because apparently it can help with fertility. If you guys want to get bigger boobs, then definitely take MSM as well. One thing that I noticed for myself is that when I'm taking my MSM and I go to the gym, I honestly feel like really great, and I'm not really sore the next day. You know, it heals your muscles really, really fast when you're taking MSM. And I also notice that I lose weight a lot faster when I'm taking MSM and going to the gym. If you guys are looking to lose weight, that might be a great thing to do as well. Start taking your MSM and make sure you exercise. But I go pretty often now. If you're looking to lose weight, definitely take your MSM. But I might just leave you guys with some pictures, some more before and afters. I'm really gonna try and find some actually like good and clear pictures so that you guys can really see the difference from last year to this year with my hair growth. And also guys, I was thinking about doing a natural hair journey video for you guys so you guys can know my natural hair journey, because I don't think I've ever actually shared it with you guys, and I think I really want to start sharing more with you guys, having more of these talking videos where I tell you guys more about myself and about my life, because I really don't do that. If you guys want to see a natural hair journey video, please leave a comment below. I also got the community tab, so look out for some more posts from me, not only videos, but maybe I'll do some polls to see what you guys want to see next, or if you guys want to see some different content. I guess that's it for the video. I I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope that I answered some of your questions. Again, if I didn't, just leave your question below and let me know what you want to know, and I will try and answer it for you or make another video like I mentioned earlier on. I guess that's it. If you guys are not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
It's a gas race, it went last place. Yeah, my first name with the last name. Vinny bag, ayy, Birkin bag, ayy. Paper tag, ayy, brand new jacket. I just push a button, automatic style.